If you're looking for a delicious pumpkin dessert for the upcoming holidays, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am going to be making this easy pumpkin earthquake cake. I know, earthquake cake. It is a simple recipe. There are quite a few ingredients, but they're very basic ingredients, and I promise you it's going to be easy peasy. So let me stop talking, we'll go over all the ingredients and we'll get started. Alrighty, so we have some milk, pecans, I have some powdered sugar in that container there, I have a stick of butter, I have 3 eggs, a can of pure pumpkin, some vanilla extract, I have some Pam to spray the cake pan with, some oil, a spice cake mix, and some cream cheese. And friends, that is all the ingredients we're going to be using today. Alrighty, so we're going to start off with making the cake part. So we're going to add in 1 bag, the entire bag of the spice cake mix. Then we're going to add in the entire can of pumpkin. And remember, this is regular pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. You don't want to add pumpkin pie filling with the spice cake. And I got my pumpkin at Aldi, of course. They did not have, excuse me, they didn't have the spice cake, or I would have bought my spice cake there too. A little bit more. Okay. Alrighty, oops, let's get that off the can. And then we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of milk, a 1/2 cup of oil. Oh, I like totally poured it outside the pan. Oh my gosh. Why, Kelly? And then we're going to add in 3 eggs. Alrighty, now let me just wash my hands real quick, and then we're going to mix all this together. Alrighty, so now we're going to go ahead and mix this together. And if you can hear a noise in the background, it is my husband with the lawnmower crunching up leaves. He decided it was a good idea to do that while I was filming. But anyway, here we go. Alrighty, look at that. It smells amazing. Alrighty, so now we're moving on to the swirl part. So I have 8 ounces of cream cheese in here. I'm going to add in 3.5 cups of powdered sugar. You can do 3 to 4 cups depending on how sweet you want it. So there's 2, 3, about 3.5. Alrighty, and then I'm going to take a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I have my butter in the microwave, 1 stick melting right now, and as soon as it's done, we're going to add that in here. Alrighty, we have our melted butter, and we're going to pour that right in there. Should have put a paper towel over it because it popped, and now I have it all over my microwave. Alrighty, now we're going to go ahead and just mix this together. Alrighty friends, that's simple. Alright, let's get cleaned up here and then we'll put our cake together. Alrighty, so we have our 9x13 pan here. Just spraying that pan, getting it coated really well so nothing sticks. Alrighty, so I took a cup of pecans and chopped them up. You can buy them that way already if you want. I just bought a bag that wasn't because it was on sale and it was cheaper. And y'all know I like to shop a bargain. Okay, and we're just sprinkling that out evenly over the bottom of the pan. And now we're going to take our pumpkin cake mix and pour that right on in. Oh, this is nice and fluffy. I like it. And you hear that, friends? Hubby's got the hand mower with the attachment on the back, and he is just crunching them leaves up. And alrighty. Alright, so now we're just going to smooth this out and try not to mix it with the nuts. Alright. Just like that. Wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. You just want to make sure it's as even as possible. You don't want a lopsided cake. I have made those before. Alright, let me just wash this off real quick so we can add our swirl in. Alrighty, so now we're going to take our earthquake part, I guess, the swirl, the cream cheese mixture. We're just going to plop that down in a couple different sections. Just like that. Oops, just almost splattered that on me. My goodness. I think you make this for the holidays. People are going to want to keep coming back to visit you. I wish you could smell this. Oh. Alrighty. And then I just have a small little spatula here that I'm going to use to do my little swirling with it. Alrighty, so now we don't want to mix this together. We just kind of want to swirl it. Does that make sense? Just kind of just like that. You just want to make sure you don't have like big lumps, like a big glop. Is glump a word? I think I had this conversation in another video one time, and I don't remember. I cannot remember. Is glump a word? Y'all let me know. A big glop? That's a word. But the glump, I always say glump, and I don't know if that's correct or not. So look at that. It's the earthquake. Ah! Don't ask me. I just work here. All right, there we have it. Alrighty, so my oven is preheated. I have it at 350. We're gonna put this in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. Alrighty, our 45 minutes are up. So let's go ahead and, ooh, look at that. It's supposed to be a tad bit wet in the middle. I think I'm gonna let it go for another 10 minutes and then we'll check it at that point. Alrighty, let's check it out. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, that is certainly done. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's get this bad boy out. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's kind of cool how it looks like a pastry on top almost. So cool. All right, we're gonna let this cool down and then we'll cut it and give it a taste test. Alrighty, it's still a little bit warm, but I wanted to cut this and do a taste test. It has a pastry-like top to it. It's so cool looking. It smells so good. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. Look. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Alrighty, my friends, there it is. We're going to do a quick little taste test. See what we think. Oh, this is good. And it's like soft in the middle. We'll let hubby try. He gave it a thumbs up. He thinks it's good. Oh my goodness. What does it taste like, babe? What do you think? I'm not even sure. And get a little bit of the nuts in there. Did you get nuts in your bite? Oh my goodness. It is kind of soft and moist, very moist in the middle. The edges are a little bit more done, which is the way it's supposed to be. I really like that a lot. I promise you, friends, your guests are going to eat this up. It is absolutely delicious. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.